Welcome to MCQ Creator SIA. Here, every question takes you one step closer to success. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Correct answer. B. Ganges River Dolphin. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Correct answer. A. Elephant. Which is the national reptile of India? Correct answer. A. King Cobra. When was the Indian rupee symbol, rupee, officially adopted? Correct answer. C. 2010. Who designed the national flag of India? Correct answer. B. Pingali Venkaiah. Who was the first president of India? Correct answer. A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the highest mountain peak located in India? Correct answer. A. Kanchenjunga. Which is the largest desert in India? Correct answer. B. Thar. Which is the longest dam in India? Correct answer. B. Hirakud. Which is the largest state of India by population? Correct answer. C. Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest state of India by area? Correct answer. A. Rajasthan. Who was the first female governor in India? Correct answer. A. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first female chief minister in India? Correct answer. C. Sucheta Kripalani. How many languages are currently included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer. C. 22. Has any sport been officially declared as the national sport of India? Correct answer. B. No. Note: while hockey is popular, there is no official national sport. Which is the largest sport in India? Correct answer. A. Mumbai. When did India conduct its first nuclear test? Correct answer. C. 1974. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Correct answer. B. Gujarat. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Correct answer. B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. What is the highest civilian award in India? Correct answer. C. Bharat Ratna. Which is the national tree of India? Correct answer. C. Banyan. Which is the national bird of India? Correct answer. A. Peacock. Which is the national animal of India? Correct answer. A. Tiger. What is the currency of India? Correct answer. A. Rupee. When was the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO established? Correct answer. B. 1969. From which pillar was the national emblem of India taken? Correct answer. A. Ashoka Pillar, Sarnath. Which assembly drafted the Constitution of India? Correct answer. B. Constituent Assembly. On which day was the national flag of India adopted? Correct answer. C. The 22nd of July 1947. From where is the national motto Satyamev Jayate taken? Correct answer. C. Mundaka Upanishad. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you want a special video on any specific topic, let us know in the comments below.